So I finally got round to setting up my Mars Hydro grow tent with an actual heated base. So if you have a look in here, we've got the grow light, which is doing really well. It's actually warming the air quite a bit as well when it's been on for several hours. And down here we have my Vitapod heated propagator, and that's been on for a few hours now, so it's nice and warm. And I've just put a few plants in here. So we've got the onset Ventricosum Heniba banana that's been propagating with all these pups around the corner, so we're growing those on. And I've put a couple of colocasias in there as well. And with this light, it will mean that we've got all the conditions these plants need to thrive, because we've got really good strong light that we can control. We've got nice warmth coming from below, so the air temperature is about 20 degrees in here, and I can keep the humidity up by keeping most of this obviously closed, the grow tent. And because it's nice and reflective, it means that maximum light goes on all the leaf surfaces. And the heated propagator at the moment is just on. It'll keep around 20 degrees at the moment, because it's quite cold in the greenhouse, really, 8 degrees. And underneath that you can just see, I've not put the propagator on the ground, I put a block of insulation, or Kingspan foam insulation, underneath the propagator, so that it keeps the heat in the propagator and coming up rather than going into the ground and heating the ground. So that's my setup here. I'm going to use this very warm light area for propagating lots of seeds, the ones that need a lot of heat. So banana seeds will be set off very soon in here, and we can watch them grow.